If you think all motor oils are the same, you're about to make the biggest mistake car owners make every single day. The wrong oil can literally shave years off your engine's life. So before your next oil change, watch this, because I'm showing you the best synthetic oils you should actually trust in 2026. Let's start with the oil that almost every mechanic agrees on. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30. If your car sees a mix of city driving, highway driving, and the occasional aggressive throttle, this oil is built for you. Valvoline's formula is loaded with anti-wear additives, thermal stabilizers, and detergents that actually clean your engine while you drive. You'll notice engines with this oil tend to run quieter and cooler, especially in stop-and-go traffic. One of its biggest strengths is high temperature protection. If you live where summers get hot, or if you have a small turbo engine that naturally runs hotter, Valvoline holds viscosity better than many competitors. Real-world users often say they go the full interval without oil breakdown or burning. The downside, it's not the cheapest. But because it lasts longer and protects better, you generally spend less over time. And trust me, wait until you see what the next oil offers. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic is basically the no-excuses oil for people who want strong protection on a budget. It has great sludge defense, and if you're buying for an older car or one that wasn't maintained perfectly before, this is extremely important. Castrol uses a special cleaning additive that reduces carbon buildup around pistons and rings. That means smoother acceleration and less engine knocking over time. It also flows well in colder climates, so if you live somewhere with harsh winters, your engine will start more easily and warm up faster. Now, it's not as performance-oriented as Valvoline for heavy towing or turbocharged engines, but for daily driving and long-term reliability, it's one of the best value picks you can get. Stick around, because the next oil is for people who want premium performance with zero compromises. Royal Purple is the brand you buy when you want your engine to perform like it did the day you bought it. The SAE 0W20 formula is ridiculously smooth. Engines sound quieter and rev easier almost instantly after the first change. Royal Purple uses a special synthetic base that reduces friction dramatically and that translates to real-world benefits. Slightly better fuel economy, cooler engine temps, and faster oil circulation during cold starts. Their additive technology also bonds to metal surfaces, giving a layer of protection that stays even after long intervals. This oil is perfect for newer cars with tight engine tolerances, especially hybrid engines. The only drawback is the price. It's definitely premium, but for performance lovers or anyone keeping a car long-term, it's worth every cent. Now, if you want the cleanest engine possible, the next oil is the king. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is made from natural gas, literally converted into synthetic base oil using Shell's Pure Plus technology. That means the oil starts ultra clean before any additives are even added. Because of that, this oil gives the best piston cleanliness ratings in the industry. If you've got a modern engine, something turbocharged, direct injected, or full of tight tolerances, this oil keeps carbon deposits way under control. You'll likely experience better throttle response, smoother idle, and noticeably reduced engine noise on cold starts. It's also a great choice for performance cars or people who drive hard. However, because it's a premium synthetic, you do pay a little more. But when it comes to keeping your engine spotless inside, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is tough to beat. Speaking of unbeatable, the final oil is engineered specifically for high mileage engines. Mobil 1. Extended performance high mileage is the oil you want if your car has crossed 75,000 miles, or 150,000, or even more. This formula is specifically built to slow oil burning, soften aging seals, and protect older engines under stress. Mobil 1's extended performance line lets you drive up to 15,000 miles between oil changes. And yes, real users actually confirm that the oil still looks clean at the end of the interval. If your engine is starting to sound a bit rough, or if you just want to keep an older car running like new, this one's a lifesaver. The only drawback is that if you have a brand new sports car, there are better performance oils. But for high mileage reliability, this one is unmatched. So which one is the best synthetic oil in 2026? If you want the best all-around protection and performance, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is the safest and most versatile choice. But for absolute engine cleanliness, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum takes the crown. And if your car has high miles, Mobil 1 Extended Performance will keep it alive way longer than average. All the oils I mentioned today are linked in the description below. Check them out to see updated prices and deals on Amazon. And if this helped you pick the right oil, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest car gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching. And remember, treating your engine right isn't expensive. Rebuilding one IS.